where more than 6,000 people, they practiced the Bhujangasana in one place simultaneously, also could achieve a world record then. And then coming to 25 days countdown event, which was held in Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh. There are two more initiatives like Yoga Park portal and Yog Sangam portal, wherein people can register their activities, were launched. Yog Sangam, this was an initiative taken up last year, wherein all the people, all the organizations celebrating IDY on 21st June, they need to register themselves, so that we have been, celebrating IDY for so many years, but we are not actually capturing the activities. So this initiative that says that we are not sake of saying it is digitally captured where in all activity, where in all places the IDY was celebrated on 21st June when Honorable Prime Minister, he leads the main event. Next. One more good news that I would like to share with all of you, that 14 June, that is yesterday, Ministry of Ayush, that is MD and IY, and have built together, they could achieve this Guinness World Record. It is part of this Yoga 365 campaign, where 4,35,831 participants joined this program, and the most viewers for a yoga live stream on YouTube. So that record we could achieve. Coming to the main event, as all of you know, it has a 45 minutes common yoga protocol. It's a standardized session duration that is being curated in consultation with all the yoga experts in India and abroad as well. And this year it is decided that it will be celebrated in Kolkata, West Bengal. And the theme for this year is Yoga for Healthy Aging, that is Swasth Ayu Ke Liye Yog. That means since birth, we should try to live a healthy life till the end. Next is the global level also. This year we have taken a lot of initiatives to celebrate International Day of Yoga. This we are doing in association with ICCR, MEA, and Indian Yoga Association. So Indian Yoga Association, there are many yoga institutes, they have enrolled themselves there, and they have their presence pan-India as well as in the global level. So we are trying to celebrate country-wide celebration through our missions abroad. So there ICCR is playing a very vital role, and all the global chapters of Indian Yoga Association, they are coming together, and we have prepared a database. So whosoever is present in a specific country and a location, and where our mission is located. So they are all coordinated well, so that it will be celebrated, and it will not be restricted to only a mission activity. It should involve the Indian diaspora that is present over there, as well as the local people of that country. And one more new initiative this year, Ministry of Ayush has taken, that it is training. It's the ICCR scholars. Usually every year 2,000 foreign students, they come here to India, and they